This is how I prepare my tomato sauce or stew, aka stew with beef in it. And I'm just prepping my frozen bell peppers, onion. I have onions in here and then fresh tomatoes, and I'm just going to blend that, put that aside. I didn't record it as I was blending it, but this is the beef. I've washed it, and I'm just here adding my diced onions, and I'm going to be loading it with seasoning. So here I was just adding thyme, and then I added rosemary. Then I'm adding also cubes, beef cubes. From beef cubes, I added my different types of curry. So that's curry wild and curry mild. Here I'm adding paprika and my rock pink salt. And what else? Okay, then I had to pour water. I always like this bouillon. It's crayfish flavored, but whatever I cook, I like this. I like this crayfish bouillon in my whatever, anything that I cook. So I'm just stirring it because it was starting to. Oh yeah, this is actually hot chili, dried hot chili. So now I'm just going to boil it, leave it to boil, stir it because I need it to be tenderized. So yes, I left it for a while, for like a bit. So here I'm frying it, and I skipped a lot of steps, but this stew is amazing. Amazing. I cook the best stew. I cook the best tomato sauce. No cap. Anyway, so since I made a whole bunch of it, this was not the point was to store it, preserve it so that I can freeze it. This is also why I got the sealing machine. So I wanted the sealing machine to vacuum, remove the air, and I think it lasts longer that way. So here I was just preserving. This is the stock, the beef stock that I didn't use in the stew, and maybe it will come handy one day. I don't have a ton of recipe for them just yet, but maybe a light bulb will go off in my head. But yeah, so I have 2 bags of this from the beef stock that I did. Then I said it's best for me to label them because I'm also going to be sealing the stew that I also made, the tomato sauce. So I'm labeling it, and I'm also writing the date. So yes, I put this on the sticker and I stuck it to each bag to go in the freezer. So here I am kind of partitioning this row. It's a whole row of plastic bag, vacuum sealing bag. So you can demarcate it as you want. You can make it as big or as small. And yeah, look at it. See the way it just sucks the air out of it. Once it gets to the liquid, it stops. Put it on. Just show you once. There you go. Zip. And that's it. So yeah, after this is done, this can be messy, so you have to really wipe and wipe and wipe. This sauce is given. So I have like probably 7 bags of this, and some bags were a little bigger than the other. This, you can actually use it to make jollof rice. This is the basis for your jollof rice sauce. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.